So this is the fourth session. I would like to know how much you have learned in the previous sessions. If there's any teacher here, Bharati ma'am or anyone, please take pics of the students attending the session. Yeah, what was the first session? What was the first? Manaswini says it's her birthday today. So let's all wish her happy birthday. God bless you, Manaswini. Yeah. So what was the first session? Put it in the chat box quickly. First session, what did we learn? Good morning, everyone. Yeah, we learned about IPS and IAS, correct? IPS and IAS. This is called as UPSC, preparation for UPSC, civil services, preparation for civil services. Very good. Yeah. Now, correct. So what is the first exam that you will write for the civil services? What is the examination that is? Which examination will you write? Yeah, it's called as prelims. Prelims, UPSC prelims it is called. Wonderful. Very good. So, prelims is correct. Approximately how many candidates will appear for the prelims? Approximately how many candidates will Jessica says she has not attended the first session. The video is already posted in the groups, children. You can watch the video. More than 6 lakhs people. Very good, very good. More than 6 lakhs students or candidates will be writing the examination of prelims. Then after prelims, what is the examination that they will write once you are selected? It's called as mains. Wonderful. Very good, very good. So mains examination, what is the ratio in which, suppose if 1,000 posts are there, how many candidates will be selected for mains? What is the ratio? What is the ratio? Yeah, it is 1:2.5, children. So 12.5, 1:12.5. If 1,000 posts are there, 12,500 students or candidates will be taking up the mains examination. 1:12.5. 1,000 posts are there, 12,500 candidates will be selected for the mains examination. Now, after the mains examination, what is the examination that you will be what is that examination, or what is how many will be selected for interview? How many of them will be selected for the interview? If 1,000 posts are there, how many will be selected for the interview? 2,500. Wonderful. The ratio is 1:2.5. For each post, one post, 2.5. That means for 2 posts, 5 candidates will be called for. So for 1,000 posts, 2,500 people are candidates are selected. Okay. So now we have. Oh, so you are thorough with the UPSC exam. You have understood it very well. Very good. Now, if I have to go join an engineering stream, what is the nationwide examination which is there? What is the nationwide examination which is there if I have to go for the engineering stream? Engineering stream. IIT JEE. Very good. What is the full form of JEE? What is the full form of JEE? JEE full form. Joint entrance examination. Very good, children. Joint entrance examination. How many questions are there in JEE? The first exam is called as mains. How many mains? How many questions are there? Total 90 questions. And the marks are 360. 90. Very good. For maths, how many questions? Joint JEE, IIT JEE, maths, how many questions? Maths, only maths I am asking. It will have maths, physics and chemistry. Only maths, how many questions? 30 questions. Yes, very good. 30 physics, 30 chemistry, 30 maths. Good. Now, each question carries how many marks? how many marks each question carries in +4. So for each correct answer, you will get 4 marks. If my answer is wrong, how many marks will I lose? -1. Very good, children. Very fast you are answering. Wonderful, wonderful. -1. Negative marking is there. So for each wrong answer, I will lose 1 mark. Good, good, good. Wonderful. So now let's go to the next session. The third session we did about the medical services, correct? So about medicine, how many? What is the entrance examination that is being written for to join an MBBS course? What is that examination called as? JEE. This is NEET. Correct, correct, correct. JEE for engineering, NEET for medical stream. Now, NEET, what is the full form of NEET? NEET is very good, Harshita said. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Examination. Entrance test. Eligibility cum entrance test, correct. NEET. Very good. Now, how many questions are there? Raj Harshvardhan has already told it has 180 questions. How many questions for biology? How many questions for biology? Only biology. Only biology. Biology has botany and zoology. Together it is 90. Jatin is correct. 90 questions it has. So physics, how many questions? Physics, how many? In NEET, how many questions are there in physics? 45 is the correct answer, Jashika. Yes, Naman also has answered. Very good, very good. Now, so here what is the marking scheme? For each correct answer, how many marks I will get? For each correct answer, 4. Correct. Is negative marking there? Is there a negative marking? Yes, negative marking is there and I will lose -1. Yes, -1. -1 is the negative marking. Very good. So you have understood very well. What are the other courses which are there other than MBBS? What are the other courses? Other than MBBS, what are the other courses? I mean to say, BDS are correct. Yeah, Bachelor of Dental Service. I am talking about B Pharmacy. Very good. B Pharmacy, BDS. Yeah, next. Next. B Pharmacy, BDS. Anything else? Yeah, those are specializations. ENT, they are specializations. You can do BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. You can do BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. BHMS and BAMS. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. So what are the sessions which are there for specializations which are there? Eye specialist, what is it called as? What is that specialization called as? Eye specialist. What is the specialization? Pediatrics is for, yeah, for young, for children up to the age of 12 years. Is orthopedic is not the correct answer. If I have a problem in the eyes, to which doctor, to which specialist should I go? Which? No, not ophthalmologist. Very good. Mahideep. Mahideep has answered correct. Ophthalmologist is the correct answer. If I have a problem with the skin, what is the specialist that I will meet? Ophthalmologist is over. Yeah, that's for the eyes. Yeah, for the dermatologist. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, Hashmini has answered. Very good. Dermatologist is the correct answer. Correct. So if I have a problem with the bones, whom do I meet? Dermatologist is correct. Yeah. If I want to, eye specialist, orthopedician. Yeah, orthopedic surgeon, orthopedics is the specialization. Very good. Yes. Then if I have a problem in the ear, nose, I want to specialize on ear, nose and throat. Ear, nose and throat. ENT, very good. Eyes are over, eyes, ear, nose, throat. Yes, for the limbs, yeah, bones and all, orthopedic is done. Correct, correct. Yes, very good. If I have a problem with my teeth, whom should I meet? What is the specialization? There's a separate course for that. It's called a dentist. Yeah, BDS is what you need to do. Very good, children. Nice. Yes. Yeah, good. So today now we will start with good morning to everybody, all the participants. Yeah, today we will start with career guidance session 4. Okay, are you all ready to start with it? Yes. Give a thumbs up, all of you. Let me see all the faces once. Yay, very good. Jatin, Reshmik, Bharat Chandra, Bhargav Sandeep, yeah, Neha, Bhubi, Neha, Purnima. Very good, very good. Nishwita, right. Jaideep, Likit Sai, Rishita Sri. Oh, good, good, good. Prasanna, Dhanvi Prasanna. Very good. Wonderful to see all your faces, smiling faces, children. Pavan Tej, Vishwa Vignesh, Nitya Shri, good, Sham, Nilesh, Nikhilesh. Wonderful, ma, wonderful, wonderful. Nice to see all of you. Shall we start, Raj Harshvardhan, Shmini? Yeah, shall we start with the session now? Mohit, Jashika, right. Dikshit, good, good. Hanish, everybody is here. Okay. Now, let me start with the session now. So, let us learn. So, it is about engineer we have learned, about medical profession we have learned, how to become an UPSC, IAS officer we have learned. Now, let us do what is the profession that I need to do. Yes. Yeah. This is one important profession, like you can become a lawyer. Lawyer is a very important, respectable profession, right? Respectable profession, right? Yeah. So, what will the lawyers do? You have a property case. You have a fight with somebody. Somebody is without telling you, somebody has occupied your site. Yes, there's a problem with that. So you approach a lawyer, right? So what do the lawyers do? They take all the documents, they will study your case, and they will fight for you in the court, correct? And the judge will give the judgment, right? So this lawyer profession is highly respected, yeah, profession in the society, and also very, 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 very important profession to see that everybody gets justice. Yes, this profession. So how can you do this? After your 11th and 12th, after your intermediate, you can take up Bachelor of Fight for Justice. Yes, they will bail the case. Yeah, good, good, good. You have a lot of idea about it. Fighting for justice is very good. Yes. Fight for the justice. It's a very important, profession, very respectable profession. So what do we need to do to become a lawyer? I have to do a bachelor degree in Bachelor of Law. It's also called as LLB. LLB. It's a 3 years course. People can do BA LLB, BSc LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB. It's an integrated 5 years course. Instead of doing a BA and then 3 years LLB, together you can do it in 5 years. BA plus LLB, BSc plus LLB, BBA plus LLB, BCom plus LLB. After the degree, yeah, you can go for masters, post-graduation. Post-graduation in law is called as Masters of Law, LLM. Few institutes it's 1 year, and for few institutes it is 2 years course, right? You can also to give suggestions to the various organizations, to various companies. You can also do a Masters of Business Law to know more about the business laws, the rules and regulations. You will have, see, when you are starting with huge companies, you will do it with the partnership with somebody, right? You'll have a partnership with somebody. So in the partnership, how the profits should be divided among the partners, all this rules, they will you can learn in Masters of Business Law. So you can Masters of Business Law, if you do, you can be you can suggest, you can always be an advisor to various companies. Very good. So next, so before going to that, I have to tell you, what is the exam that you have to write to become a lawyer? Yes, before joining LLB, what is the entrance exam that you have to write? For engineering, I told you IIT JEE. For medical, I told you it is NEET. For law, what is the entrance exam? It's called as CLAT, CLAT. CLAT, CLAT, Common Law Admission Test. After writing this common law entrance test, admission test, you can take admission into the undergraduate course, that is the degree course. You can take up 22 national law universities are there. NLU means National Law Universities. 22 all over India, they are there. In those colleges, you can take the admission, right? And this question paper, I told you about NEET and I told you about JEE also. This exam has 150 questions. It's not 15, it is 150 multiple choice questions, comprehension based questions are there. On which subjects will it be there? On which subjects? First is English language, current affairs. Current affairs means your general knowledge. What is going on in the world right now? Yeah, that will be there. Logical reasoning, legal reasoning. If there is a case, how will you apply your logic and how will you follow the legal documents, and then how will you give justice? Yes, and then quantitative techniques. Quantitative techniques are the basic math techniques, right? So 5 subjects are there, 150 questions are there. 5 subjects are English language, current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, quantitative techniques. These are the 5. So understood how to go about to become a lawyer? Yes. How many of you wants to become a lawyer? Please raise your hand. Let me see. How many of you are want to become a lawyer? Hashmini wants to become a lawyer. Very good. Anybody else who wants to become a lawyer? Let me see all the faces. Put a thumbs up if you want to become a lawyer. Somebody wants to do that. Yes, please tell me. Yes, you can put it in the chat box also. You can put it in the chat box also. Right. Very good. Nice. Yeah. Lochan wants to become. Good, good. Right. Nice. So now let us go to what are the other professions which are there. Now you can also take up a commerce stream. Commerce means you can take maths, physics, chemistry is in JEE, right? Here you can take up MEC, maths, economics, commerce. MEC or CEC, civics, economics and commerce. Any of these 2 cases courses you can take up. Yeah, and then after doing that, so my question is now, what will be the examination for this? What will be the examination for? So what are the courses that you can take up in 11th and 12th? Either civics, economics and commerce, or maths, economics and commerce. These you can take up in intermediate or in 11th and 12th standard. Okay. So now to become a chartered accountant, who is a chartered accountant? What is he going to do? Before that, we will learn what is the entrance exam which is there. Entrance examination is CPT. Previously, I told you it was CLAT, C-L-A-T. Now it is CPT, Common Proficiency Test. It is also called as CACPT. 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 For CA, you are taking this Common Proficiency Test, so it's also called as CACPT. Now, this once they qualify in this examination, 3 levels of examination, then you will become a chartered accountant. Chartered accountant, in how many ways are they able to help the different companies or organizations? Means every organization needs to have an audit of their all the accounts. How much is your income? How much is your expenditure? So this auditor work, the chartered accountant, he can be an auditor for different companies. He can be a tax accountant. Suppose I want to pay the income tax. I want to know how much I have to pay. So I will approach a tax accountant. Or a huge company is there. They give employment. They take tax accountants. They will take. Why? Because they should know exactly how much they are able to. They should pay the, Air Force also I will explain. I will explain. So how much tax should I pay? Isn't it? So for that, the tax accountants will do the calculations and tell. Management accountant. So helping the management understand where they have to invest, how they have to invest, how they have to take care of the expenditure, all that. Financial accountant, financials, like your profits, where do you want to invest? You have any idea about shares, children? Shares, bonds, dividends. People will be investing in that for better money, to earn money, right? Manhideep wants to become an IAS officer. About astronaut, yes. Astronaut, definitely. Scientist, astronaut, aerospace, all this together we will do in one session, children. Now here, so financial accountant is over, auditor is over, budget analyst. See, I want for the next financial year, I want to put a budget for myself. Budget means, in simple words, I will explain. Suppose for at home, you have this home budget you have. So mother and father will be thinking, no, how much we have to, what is the total salary? In that, how much we have to spend for the rent of the house? How much we should buy the groceries and all the essential things for the house? How much should I pay for the electricity bill? How much should I pay for fees of the children, school fees of the children or college fees of the children? How much should I spend on expenses? Like every year, if there are festivals, you need some amount, right, to buy new clothes to celebrate. Yes. So how much should I spend on that? So how much should I save for my children's higher education? Yes. Yeah, in 10th class also I will explain. Now they are having classes. After that, in the, from 19th onwards, they have holidays. At that time I will explain. Now here, so these budgets are made. Parents will sit and decide, like, no, how much we have to spend for each of the item, for how much should be their savings for retirement, how much should they save for the for the higher studies of the children. So all this, how much should be saved in case somebody falls sick? So for medical expenses, how much should I save? All this together is called as the budget. So you can imagine, when there is a very big company, definitely how much will the company, how much they have to invest, in what they have to invest, all this they have to discuss upon. Okay. So have you understood now how much is needed? Now we'll go to the next. Yeah. So after commerce stream, you have taken either you have taken up either MEC or CEC. If you have taken maths course, if you have taken, you can do BCom honors, BCom accounting and taxation. I told you, no, tax analyst you can become statistics. Statistics is very, very important subject, children. Even in your MBAs, this statistics is, very, very important. Yeah, you can, because everywhere you are watching a cricket match, yeah, how many balls are put, how many sixes are made, which direction the 4 runs went, which how did the, what was the speed of the the bowler, yeah, in what are the runs made. Yes, all these are shown in graphs, right? Yes, to all of you. So the statistics is a very, very important subject in the present day. There's a lot of future for this statistics. Actually, I will do another session for machine learning, artificial intelligence in computer science itself, coding, all this. They have a lot of future. So I will be discussing that in the next sessions to come up. BCom in management, accounting, and international finance. BCom in accounting, BCom applied economics, BCom banking and finance. These are all somewhat similar to one another. This you can take up once you have done 12th standard commerce with maths. If you have done MEC, these are the courses. Okay, I have not done MEC, I have done CEC. What can I do? I can become BCom General, BCom Business Administration. It's also called as BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, BCom Marketing. Yes. So I have told you that to write UPSC also, any degree is enough. It can be an MBA, it can be a BBA, or it can be BSc, it can be BA. Yeah. So for all these graduations, definitely UPSC is option is always there, children. So without mathematics, I can do these. With mathematics, in the previous slide, I have shown. And I've already explained you about this CLAT also, I have explained. So what are the highest commerce students, those who want to take up commerce, they are not interested in physics and chemistry, such children, what are the students, what are the options that they have? They can become a chartered accountant, lawyer, we have already learned. They can become a chartered accountant, they can become a CEO. Yeah, who is CEO? Chief Executive Officer. He will be taking care of all the affairs of that particular company. Any CEO's name you can tell? For Google, who is the CEO? For Google, who is the CEO? CEO of Google? Yes. Sundar Pichai, yes. He is taking care of the whole, operations of Google, right? So you can become, you can take up commerce, and you can you can do your MBA, and then you can become a CEO for a company. Yes, it's a very prestigious post, right? And Mr. Sundar Pichai, he has done it, doing his engineering. Because it's a software company, you should know coding, you should know computer science. And then, he, after doing MBA, he has become the CEO. Yes. Now, chartered financial analyst, finances. Yeah, the money part of it. Yeah, that is the CFA. Also, you can definitely book him. He is my inspiration. He is my goal. Wonderful, Harshvardhan. Yes, you have some network issue, I suppose. Again and again, you're getting dropped from the session. Company secretaries. Company secretary course is also a very important. Those who are taking up commerce or arts stream, they can definitely, company secretaries will be assisting the company with all the finances, with all the administration works. So that also can be taken up. Now, previous classes we have learned about MPC and MEC important courses. Few courses which were left out in that I have added in this slide. Yeah, forensic sciences. Forensic sciences are like there was a fight, or there was a murder, there was a something wrong which has happened. How will the lawyer take action? How will he collect the evidences for the mistake which is done? There he consults the forensic experts. For those who have done forensic science, they will identify using the nails, using DNA, using the, like, if there are any evidences left on the crime site, they will pick up that, and they will go for forensic lab. They'll go for different tests and will identify who has done it. Yes, so that's a very, very important, yeah, profession. Lot of, you need to be fingerprints. Yes, correct, Jatin. Fingerprints also you have to take for that. So it's a very important profession. You can take that up with BPC. Geology is about the study of the earth. Yeah, about the minerals, various minerals which are available on earth, how we can extract from the ore the metals, and how we can utilize it. Textile technology. Textile technology is where different types of clothes are coming up, right? Yeah, it should be waterproof. Sometimes your raincoat, it should be waterproof, right? So what kind of materials should you use? Nowadays, we are going for biodegradable materials. Yeah, we are going for, even in textiles, we have different streams. Different, we have like, Banaras silk, Mysore silk, we have, yeah, Kanchi silk, we have the cottons also, wonderful cottons we have. Yes, Pochampalli cottons, yeah. Then different Uppada silk, Uppada cottons. So these are the weavers which are there. How you can help those weavers? Yeah, that textile technology is very good at. Then we have the food technology. This is nowadays becoming very, very important, children. Everybody, all the youngsters, instead of working for some other company, they were starting with their own food trucks. You need to learn about the food. Yeah, ma'am, I like, Hanish says, I like CID. Very good. Yeah. So then you have to do this forensic sciences, those courses you have to do. So this food technology I was talking about, food technology, yeah, youngsters are starting up with their own food trucks. What they are doing is the truck is getting, yeah, ready for them with all the necessary changes which are needed in the truck, so that you can take it to important center of the city or the town. Yeah, you can put it over there for 4 or 5 hours. You can spend over there. Suppose if you are, yeah, preparing breakfast, yeah, you can preparing breakfast. So you can put it over there for 5 hours. You can work, you can sell, you can close your truck, and you can again come back home, or you can leave the truck over there. All the essential ingredients, yeah, all the things which are needed, you can definitely take in. You can, for that, you need to do a little bit of hotel management, or a course in food technology is very, very important, right? So hotel management is also very important. Like you can become a chef, or you can become, like, there are so many resorts, 5-star hotels, they pay salaries in lakhs of rupees. So that is also, hotel management is also a very beautiful career, children. So if you are interested in food and in, yeah, serving people, like, yeah, the guests and all that, yes, it will be very, very useful. This session will end in a minute, children. Nityashri says, I want to become a pilot. Definitely. Army, Navy, how you can join the military services, how you can become an astronaut, a space scientist, yeah, a pilot, all these things also in the further classes we will definitely be discussing with you, all of you. So give a thumbs up for today's session, all of you. Yeah, give a thumbs up. Yes. Yeah, very good. Good, children. Good, good, good. Thumbs up. Nice, nice. Yeah, very good. Good, good. Nice. Yeah. So let's meet in the next session. Yeah. Thank you all of you for joining me in this session. Thank you very much. Let's meet. Yeah. And I will send you, I want to become a doctor. Yes, very good. Now I would like to, yeah, end this session over here. And yeah, keep learning. I will be sending the PPT also to all of you, children, so that you can, ma'am, I have so